Today, we will be looking at page 25 in your Faber Piano Adventures Primer Lesson Book. On page 25, we're going to learn about the notes C, D, and E, and we will learn to play the song Balloons. Remember, our piano has groups of 2 black keys and 3 black keys. C, D, and E are the notes that surround the 2 black keys. C is to the left of those 2 black keys. Starting with C and moving to the right, we have D and E. To play the song Balloons, we will use the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd fingers of our left hand on C, D, and E, like this. And we will use the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th fingers of our right hand on C, D, and E, like this. Let's see what Balloons looks and sounds like. As we watch the video, notice that our hands float up the piano like balloons. The left hand floats over the right hand to its next position, and the right hand floats out to its next position. Balloons looks and sounds like this.